Right, cool. Our least favorite company, but our favorite company to talk about, StockX. This week, they introduced a new situation to the sneaker world, and the new situation being the sneaker mystery boxes. So this is what the sneaker mystery box is. It kind of hold on 2 seconds, let me pull mine up and put it on stage. Because StockX sneaker mystery boxes, right? So it looks like there's a couple of things that are coming up from the mystery boxes. I'll give some more detail. I just want to highlight the different variations of mystery boxes. You've got 25, 50, 100, 75, 290, and they're supposed to be the equivalent of the purchases that you get in the boxes. So that's what if you buy a £200 sneaker mystery box, it's supposed to have the value of that sneaker in the box as well, in terms of the retail value. But why I did a bit of a breakdown, and this is how the mystery boxes works. It's price tiered, so basically there's different prices depending on the categories for each sneaker box, typically between like what was shown, and transparent odds. So you have odds as well. Before buying, you can view odds of pulling specific items in your box, and the statistical odds of hitting various tiers, which generally is 0.5% to 75% odds per item. So you have built in to the price, you have statistical odds of pulling a decent pair of sneakers. So you can either pull out some bullshit, or you can pull out a fake shit of really hype stuff, potentially. And I say that with my tongue in my cheek. Instant release, instant reveal. Once purchased, you can instantly reveal your item and in real-time market value in StockX app. So not only does it let you buy it on their system, but then it lets you open it without receiving it on their app to show you what you got. Right? Options. These are the options after you pull. You accept and ship. So if you love the item, you can have it shipped directly to your address on file. And the second one is instant sell back. If the item isn't your style, you can instantly sell it back to StockX for platform credit. This basically instantly credits you, typically worth 80 to 90% of the item's current value market, right? Bear with me. The fine print processing fees I'm not worried about. Automatic shipping I'm not worried about. So I'm going to take this down, and I'm going to have a conversation with you, bro. Oh, hold on. Did I just take you off the screen? Do that. That's better. Sorry, bro. Does that sound like gambling, bro? I'm going to buy something.
TJ,
No.
What the fuck are we talking about? What? No, bro.
So I'm going to buy something to open it to try and resell it back to StockX for the market price.
Bro, what in the fuck what is? Oh my god. What the fuck are these people doing? Like, what? This is the dumbest shit ever. Price tiered mystery boxes on StockX? What the fuck? That just sounds like the funniest joke in the world.
Plus, even with the mystery box, it gives you the statistical value
of statistical man. Get
and then if you don't like the item, you can sell it back to StockX for the market price of what it's worth. So basically,
sell what? A picture?
Yeah. So basically, look, this is what they're trying to do. This is what they're trying to do.
A picture of the shit that you. That ain't even the picture of what you got. Supposedly, what?
But if you like it, you can get it shipped to you, bro. It almost sounds like a Ponzi scheme where, actually, this is gambling. I'm gonna be honest. This is gambling, right? You buy something, and people that want to buy something to see what's in the box, to see if they can resell it on their platform, because it will be store credit to what StockX will give you, which is 80 to 90% of the value of the market value of that product, of what it was going to sell on StockX. Bro, that's some bullshit, bro.
Bro, why are you explaining all this dumb? It's bullshit. It's dumb. It's fuck. What the fuck is happening? This. I really feel for all these people who been riding the StockX train. All the people who got sponsored deals. The people who been faithfully shopping with this company. I'm not trying to say anything about these people. I just can't. I can't with them, bro. Like what? Any and every way, by any means necessary, should be they slogan. Cause they holding out. They been hold out. They got caught with the virus. They went back out and hold out with the virus. And now they got mystery boxes.
You know, they stole, bro. They stole that idea too. You know where they stole it from?
They don't do nothing original. They ain't did nothing original except put the shit on a chart and show a picture instead of the actual sneaker that you gonna buy. Don't. I understand like platforms that show a market picture of the product, but god damn, bro, mystery boxes, and you can flip the mystery box. You can open it before it come to you and flip it. What the fuck?
For store credit. For store credit, bro. Listen to
credit.
But listen to this.
Not
you know
no
where this
money.
came from?
You can flip it to buy. Go ahead, man.
This came from, number one, we know mystery boxes come from mystery boxes, so that's fine. But this trend comes from
too.
Yeah. But this comes from Pokemon cards, where you buy digital Pokemon cards and you can open up the pack digitally, and then if you like the cards, you can get them sent to you. This has been going on for the last year or so, or I've seen the last advert saw about it was a year ago. This is not original, bro. They just flipped it and made it into a mystery box for items you can buy off StockX, bro. That's some crazy wild stuff.
Do you not know how much of a jip that is? Digital cards? You can open digital cards, and if you like them, they'll send them to you. What the fuck happened to walking in the store and buying some shit and opening it your fucking self with your hand? What the hell is going on here, man?
You know what? A lot of creators are celebrating this as well. And I'm thinking, you've been taking, you're on that roller coaster. I'm waiting for that dip. I'm waiting for it when it crashes.
Digital cards? People dumb enough to go for digital cards. Man.
I'm not lying to you, bro. I'm not lying to you. I seen it. Grab a trading pack, bro. Like this, I'm not even joking. Look,
bro, this is game. That's gaming. That's like with a controller in your hand type shit.
Mm-hmm.
Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? You talk about it's gambling. It's all gambling. All that shit is gambling. They were talking about that with Star Wars Battlefront 8 years ago. With mystery boxes, like they cleansed the mystery boxes from gaming in a certain way because kids was running up their parents' credit cards with buying mystery boxes and shit on games. It came from real life. You're right.
Yeah.
We know where it come from. I don't even think that's the origin of it. Just like I was saying about resale. Mystery boxes probably been a thing for 100 years. We just went in the places paying paper money for raffles like people. That's what a raffle. We know free raffles from the sneaker industry where you just sign up for a website and if you hit, you have to pay for your product. I'm talking about $1, $2, $3, $5 a ticket, or like people do raffles for cars where it's $10, $20 a ticket, and if you win some new sports car. Like raffles ain't, but bro, this ain't even that. This ain't even that. Like, mystery boxes on StockX.
It's a mystery box of bullshit, bro. Like literally, it is. First of all, it's enticing your endorphins to kind of say, "Oh, I want to see what's in this box. I want to see."
Yeah,
and then next minute you're like, "Oh, I don't like it. I'll get another box. I can get store credit for this. Let me sell it." Like, what are you doing? You're converting real money into store credit where you're going to spend it on StockX. What the hell? Who's promoting this? All the creators are promoting this. You're trash.
That's why I said what I said a minute ago.
I know.
Because I'm pretty sure there are some people that don't mean no harm. But god damn it, if you can't see the scam, we all crazy. Cause
yeah.
And again, let me put the disclaimer out here. This is my opinion. If you feel different, stop the video. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't come in my comments talking about StockX, brother. I don't like it. You can like it all you want to. Go ahead. Go ahead and buy you a $190 mystery box and watch they give you some prototype Jordan 1s. Go ahead.
If they're real, bro. As well.
Hey, y'all heard Khaled? So young them ain't doing the same type of business they used to do. All them batches and shit, them returns and all that shit, y'all know y'all used to have them DHL vans pull up to y'all house. They don't come here. And I ain't talking to y'all people in the UK, because I know they do good business over there. But in the US, if you're a sneaker person, you better not let nobody see that DHL van pull up to your house. And you better get that box out your background, you cheating motherfucker. I swear to God. Go over there to StockX and play them fucking mystery boxes with all the shit they done had going on in the past 3, 4, 5 years. I don't get it.
And we haven't even mentioned, and you, bro, I'm predicting this now. I'm going to tell you this now. There's a court case waiting for StockX, and it's around the corner. Right, because when they find out, this is my conspiracy. When they find out all of these mystery boxes are rigged, and what you're pulling for the creators are pulling the stuff they're pulling and showcasing what they got is all rigged, and what you're pulling and you're pulling bullshit that's not even worth the value of the market value you pay for it, and it's a load of bullshit. And when you realize, I'm going to say this again, when it's rigged and court cases start coming up against StockX, which they will, right? Because it's easy to control a digital, digitally program that stuff in, so that you don't get the stuff that you think you're going to get for the price you're going to get, for the market price you're going to get.
Look here. What's in them low dollar mystery boxes? Some socks? A card pack or something? T-shirt? What kind of t-shirt? StockX said $20, $35 t-shirts? They got boxes that price though, right? Fuck, what are we doing?
I don't trust it, bro. I don't trust it. I don't. As soon as Nike went over and said, knock, you're selling fakes. Didn't trust it. Don't trust it. Will never trust it.
Listen, man. Y'all have at it, man. God bless y'all. I hope y'all get all the hype sneakers. I swear, I really hope that for y'all's sake, because it ain't. Them folks ain't giving them this shit out like that. Nah, bro, 190 is the highest one.
$200.
Come on, market value.
Yeah.
That ain't even retail no more.
Let me say one thing. Your creator or creators that are sponsored by StockX, for a reason that they're sponsored by StockX, might be pulling Travis's, might be pulling Futura Dunks, or might be pulling whatever they're pulling, right? But let me tell you one thing: is you and your creator ain't the same, right? You ain't sponsored by StockX. You ain't gonna be programmed to get the best stuff. Let me just put that right this point in time. Correct everybody.
Set up, they're not programmed. Set up. Like, nah, we go in there and act like you doing this shit. Or go in there and actually do it. We'll send you the video to come on, man. This all right, man.
Just when you thought this bullshit couldn't get any deeper, boy, what are they gonna pull next? Like what are they gonna do? A Sony where you can digitally buy a sneaker and digitally wear it instead? Digitally rent sneakers.
Bro. Oh man.
Some bullshit, bro.
That's crazy. Maybe I'm reading too much into it. Like I said, man, y'all have at it, bro. I'm cool. I'm so cool.
You know when you see this is the situation when you see everybody drunk around you and you're like, all right, peace, I'm bouncing. This is the situation. Man, peace, I'm bouncing.
I'm right out of that. I ain't gonna say nothing. Irish goodbye. I'm just hit the door. For real.
Bye.
Y'all tripping. Y'all ain't gonna remember me leaving nowhere. Y'all gonna look up an hour, 2 hours later. Where Q at? Q been gone. Yeah, I've been gone. I seen what I need to
bro. Sheesh, that's some crazy. That's wild. That's absolutely wild, bro. What, bro? Might as well change StockX to a gambling site. Where's the slot machines? Yo, StockX, this is an idea for you. Where's your digital grabbers? Where you just literally go and play a game to grab digital, you know, the grabbing machines in when the fun fairs.
You know what? That's it, man. I'm out, man. I can't do it.
Come back. We still got some stuff to do, bro.